Canva is a fantastic tool for creating designs without needing advanced graphic design skills. One of the most useful tricks in Canva is cropping an image into specific shape. Whether you want a circle, star, or any other shape, this feature can make your design stand out. And here is how to do it step by step. First, go to Canva and log into your account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free. Once you are in, choose a design type, such as presentation, Instagram post, or custom dimensions. Now, if you have an image you want to use, upload it by clicking the Uploads tab and selecting your file. You can also choose from Canva's free and premium images in the Photos tab. To crop your image into shape, you need to use frames. So, click on the Elements tab in the left sidebar. Then, scroll down to the Frames section or type Frames in the search bar. Here, select a shape frame you like, circle, heart, star, square, whatever you want. In the next step, you need to drag the frame onto your canvas. Once the shape is on your canvas, drag your uploaded or selected image into the frame. The image will automatically snap into the shape. If you want to adjust it, double-click the image and move it without the shape. You can easily resize as needed to fit your design. Once you are happy with your design, click the Share button and select Download. Choose your preferred format and save your file. As you see, cropping an image into shape in Canva is quick and easy, whether you are designing social media posts, business presentations, or personal projects. This trick adds a personal touch. So, I hope this simple tutorial was helpful for you. And if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more tutorials about Canva.